My name is Nicole Urban Lopez. I work for the City of Tucson in the Office of Conservation and Sustainable Development, and one of the programs I run is the city's Green Business Certification Program. The program looks at energy and transportation, water use, waste and recycling, and pollution prevention. We do an audit in each of those 4 areas to find out how businesses are currently using resources. How much energy are they using? How much water are they using? Are there any hazardous materials that they're generating as part of their operations or using during their operations? Once we collect that baseline data to find out how businesses are using resources, we put together a summary report with recommendations on actions that businesses can take to reduce their resource consumption.
This is the southwest exterior of the building here at Goodman's Interior Structures. We have a slight problem with our irrigation system, and we have found that a lot of our plants here are drought tolerant. So in order to continue our green initiative, we are going to maintain the low irrigation process. Our irrigation system is currently shut off, and this saves us a lot of money on our water bill.
Today we're here at Goodman's Interior Structures visiting their facility because Goodman's was one of the very first businesses to go through the Green Business Certification Program.
One of the fun facts that we at Goodman's learned while we were going through our energy audit was the lights on your vending machines are very, very heavy on your energy usage.
Devery Brown is a designer here at Goodman's, and she was really the lead person at Goodman's in taking them through the Green Business Certification Program. She is just one example of how great the culture is here at Goodman's.
It is $200 a year in energy cost alone to go ahead and light these vending machines. So we have our lights turned off, allowing us to save a little extra money. My name is Devery Brown. I'm the design director here at Goodman's Interior Structures. We work on projects for such clients as the city, Pima County, and many private vendors. We help them with their furniture coordination. We do design layouts meeting fire codes and city codes. So this is our showroom, and we basically tour our clients through here, showing them all of the product lines that we have. This lighting is your typical track lighting. It's been in here for at least 10 years. One of the things that we want to do is to evaluate our opportunities to bring in lighting that is more energy efficient, that gives us better color rendering qualities, and doesn't have the heat gain that we have with this lighting here. We are going to be looking at the energy efficient options, and we're going to be looking at using sensors. This room is not occupiable all the time, and this will allow the light to turn off when it's not in use, and when somebody comes in here, it'll turn right back on. During our water audit, we learned that our toilet fixtures are currently low flow, which is a good thing. However, we also learned that our faucets here are currently producing 2.2 gallons per minute, and we need to achieve 1 gallon per minute. So we'll be changing the aerators out. We'll also be changing the length of time that the water is running. Here at Goodman's in our warehouse, we palletize all of our product. We receive it in from a truck. They will take all of this cardboard and recycle it. Some of the packaging materials that you see here that the furniture came in on is getting its second life. It's being reused and being sent out to the site in order to keep the products clean and free of any scratches. During our waste audit, we learned that we were producing 83 gallons of shrink wrap through this process that you see now. This shrink wrap will now be recycled through the partnerships that we have with the grocery stores here in town while they're recycling their plastic bags.
The upside of what's happening here is that Goodman's is really leading the way for businesses in the community, along with the City of Tucson, and helping us develop the Green Business Certification Program that will soon be available to all businesses in the City of Tucson.
The upside for us is really to help our community understand green, understand sustainability, and continue our efforts in training and getting the message out there. It's something we talk about with all of our clients on a regular basis. It's something that we do very readily in what we sell as a product line, and it's something that we buy into 100% here at Goodman's.